Hi guys, I'm Press, and this is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Oh no, that's the OnePlus 8, wait a second. Now this is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Gotcha, it's the OnePlus 8 again. No joke, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, the most ambitious phone OnePlus has made thus far. It starts at $900 and it aims to give competing flagships a run for their money in terms of performance, build, and camera quality. The OnePlus 8 Pro is pretty to look at, with a trendy curved display and a mirrored curve on the back, which makes it more ergonomic. The glass panel on the back is matte now, so goodbye fingerprint grease smudges. The phone does feel a bit on the chunky side, it's just a tad thick and a bit heavy. The camera module on the back sticks out considerably and you will definitely jab your finger into it often if you don't use the phone with a case, that is. All that said, it's certainly a pretty phone to look at. The screen on the front is a beauty to behold. OnePlus uses AMOLED panels with super accurate colors, but you can fine-tune it to your liking with a ton of sliders and color profiles to pick from. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate and the animations are super smooth and super fast. It also helps that the powerful hardware mixed with the light software really make this thing fly. One feature that is exclusive to the OnePlus 8 Pro is the so-called comfort tone. Just like True Tone on the iPhones, the OnePlus 8 Pro will analyze the ambient lighting around you and fine-tune the screen's temperature to match and give you a viewing experience that's more pleasing to the eye. Considering that this thing shares hardware with the regular OnePlus 8, it's kind of a bummer that comfort tone is only available on the Pro, but okay OnePlus, okay. Where the OnePlus 8 Pro truly shines is the camera. It has a 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and then a 8 megapixel telephoto camera, which does provide 3 times optical zoom. The photo quality from the OnePlus 8 Pro is truly great, with sharp details, amazing handling of dynamics, and mostly accurate colors. Sometimes it does slip up and either oversaturates something or skews the color away from reality, but in general it's an amazing camera and it can hold its own against other, more expensive flagships on the market. The ultra-wide-angle camera is color calibrated to match the main camera, not perfectly so, but still when you switch to it you don't jump into an entirely different reality. Portrait shots taken with the telephoto camera are great. I was a bit skeptical when I saw that it was only 8 megapixels under a lens, but that skepticism evaporated as soon as I saw the great subject isolation, a ton of contrast and drama, and a good amount of detail in the portrait pictures. And yes, there is a fourth camera on the OnePlus 8 Pro. It has a different color lens, OnePlus calls it photochrome. In reality, it gives us photos where almost everything is grayish and certain fabrics or colors come out orangish. So it seems like it's a lens that doesn't filter out infrared light. Some tech pundits have found out that it can see through some plastics, but I tried it with everything in my house and I couldn't replicate the same X-ray effect. In other words, if you're hoping to buy this and get an X-ray phone, no. Don't. You can't. The speakers on the OnePlus 8 Pro are on the good side. They are very loud, very detailed, and they do not distort even at max volume. They do lack a little bit of bass, so they sound a bit harsh to me, but otherwise they are good speakers. The battery life on this thing is fantastic. It crushed our battery tests, giving us a stable 9 to 10 hour usage. This is replicated in real life, as you can almost hit 2 days of battery life, with sparing use of course. Should you need to charge up fast, the Warp Charger can give you 40% of battery in just 20 minutes, so that's pretty amazing. So that about wraps it up in a neat little bow. The OnePlus 8 Pro is a fantastic device which is still a bit costly, but in the current market it's a fair asking price, especially considering that this thing is 5G ready. Now, if you happen to live on the patch of land which has 5G connectivity, great for you. For the rest of the world, this is the type of future-proofing which maybe doesn't really matter right now. Should you buy it? I definitely won't refrain from not telling you that you shouldn't. That's it from me. There's a subscribe button down there if you like what you saw, there's a comment section if you want to tell me you hate me, or if you're lazy, there's a like and dislike button down here as well. So see you next time, maybe, probably, who knows.